What if I was able to show you a product that was designed to do one thing, but you might be able to do two, possibly three things with it? Would you buy it?
This is a cordless handheld leaf blower, and I must say I was fairly impressed with this product. It comes with a leaf blower, 2 batteries, as well as a charger. You can see here on the leaf blower, this is where the battery goes. I would also add that the weight of this product is very light, even with the battery added. To connect the battery, it's just a simple push and lock. You can unlock it with the button on the front, but you just push it to lock it in. Pretty much like all your normal battery operated power tools. Did it feel like the battery was actually locked in and sturdy? For me, it did. I would also like to add that the release lever to release the battery from the blower was also efficient enough. As far as the interior of where the wind blows, this is what it looks like. It reminds me of a hairdryer of some sort, but that's just my personal opinion. I dislike the size of the charger. I would like for something that would have had a longer cord to it. To charge this, you would have to have a countertop to lay it on it. You don't really have a lot of imagination of where you can charge it at. I mean, you can figure it out. It's a charger. It's nothing. But it did lose some points for me on that, but nothing major. It also came with a final sales card. You can see some of the information that's on it. It talks about the battery related tips and things to do as far as with charging it, as well as after sales card for warranty information, I believe. Let's check out why you're really here. Let's see it in action. As you can see here, there was some dust up under my treadmill, so I wanted to test it out. And it was very easy to use. You just pull the trigger and the dust disperses, and you can guide it outside of your garage or off your patio. I thought that worked very well. I didn't have any problems with it with the size of my garage. Now, when it came to drying off your car, I didn't have a problem with its ability to do it, right? It's a blower, so it can blow the water off. You can see it right here. A lot of times when we're drying a car off, we have to use a lot of towels to get all the excess water off. But this, it does work. As you can see, it's blowing the water off. Would I be able to dry the whole car off like this? I'm going to have to say I would have to use both batteries. With one battery, I noticed that it died pretty quickly. Maybe after, I'm not going to say quickly, maybe after about 5 minutes, even less than that maybe, I noticed that it died. Now, keep in mind, I don't know what the battery life's supposed to be on that. I didn't see anything for it that stated how long each battery was supposed to last. And it could have been something that I overlooked, but I didn't see anything that stated, you know, the amount of hours that you should be able to utilize each battery. Now, when it comes to blowing off leaves and dirt and debris from your lawn after you cut your grass, as you can see, it does what it says it's supposed to do. I didn't have a problem with it at all. It's easy on the hand. It wasn't anything that was pressing as far as difficulties of using. You just walk, point, and guide the grass or dirt off in the direction in which you want it to go.
Now the question that I know you all might be asking is, would I buy this product? Well, let's check out Nick's 5-point buy scale.
Build quality and durability. Does it feel solid? Is it made to last, or cheap plastic that'll break in a week? I gave this a 4. Functionality and versatility. Does it do what it says it can, and can it do more? I gave this a 3.5. I thought it was great as a leaf blower, great at doing dust, but when it came to the car, it lost points because I can't see myself using this the whole time to dry a car. Just off personal experience, I don't think that the battery is strong enough to do that. Price versus value. Not just cheap or expensive, does it performance match the price tag? Would you buy it again? Right now, it's currently going for about $38 to $58 with the sale that's going on right now. I personally feel with the faulty batteries that this price point should be up under $50. I gave it a 3.5 for that score. Convenience and ease of use. Is it easy to set up, use, clean, or store? Or does it just sit in the garage and collect dust? I gave it a 5. I know I would use this every time I cut grass, and maybe even to blow out my garage or blow off my patio. It's easy to use, it's easy to store, so I thought a 5 was reasonable. Number 5, wow factor and use frequency. I know I'll use this a lot, as I stated before. Not only it'll stop me from having to pick up my old heavy duty leaf blower, which takes me so much time because I got to plug it into the wall, but it's just really convenient. It's ease of use. It's right there in front of you. Only thing I really disliked was the battery life. So for that, I give it a 4. This brings the overall buying score to a 4 out of 5.
So after reviewing my buy scale, and you hear all the pros and the cons of the product, if you're still interested in it, I left the link below.
If you also have any questions, drop them in the comments.